Hi there, today we are going to create this beautiful design in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. I download this image from pixel.com. The download link is given in the description. We don't need such a wide image to create the design, so I am cropping it. Press Ctrl J to make another copy of it. This cloud doesn't look good here, so I am removing it. Then go to the filter. Inside distort, select the polar coordinates. Here, check the rectangular to polar and hit OK. Go to the filter again. Inside distort, select pinch. Here, set the amount value to 60 and hit OK. Now press Ctrl J to make another copy of the layer. Press Ctrl T, right click on the artboard and select flip particle. Add a white mask to the top layer. Take the brush tool and make sure that brush opacity and flow are set to 100. Right click on the artboard with the brush tool and select soft round brush. Select the foreground color to black. Set the brush size according to your need and paint on this weird line to blend it. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift T to merge everything into a new layer. I also download this picture from Pixels, download link in the description. Separate the characters from the background with your favorite tool. Then bring the characters into the design. I am shrinking the characters and placing them on the inner mountain. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer and down the saturation. Make sure these clips icon are checked so that only the bottom layer is affected. Now we are going to create the shadow of the subject. For that, hold Alt and click on the eye of the subject layer. Turn on the hue saturation layer also. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge everything into a new layer. Turn on the background layer. Bring the copied layer down and press Ctrl T. Right click on the selected subject and select flip vertical. Now hold Shift and make the subject longer because the light is coming from behind, so shadows will be longer. Go to the filter. Inside blur gallery, select field blur. Add points to the subject head and increase the blur value. And add another points to the feet and decrease the blur value. Hit OK. Double click on the right side of the subject layer below. Hold Alt and left click on the white slider of the underline layer. Then play with the slider to see how to get the best result. And hit OK. Now double click on the right side of the main subject layer and play with the underline layer slider to blend the subject even better. And hit OK. Then select the top layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge everything into a new layer. Then go to the filter, select camera raw filter. I am doing basic color correction here. Hit OK. Look, before, after. There are some weird lines showing in the corner of the design, so I am cropping the design. You can keep them if you want. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.